Hello everyone, welcome to Shino's kitchen. Today I'm making Saag Mutton. As the name suggests, it's traditionally made with mutton, but in the US, lamb is easier to find and super tender and delicious, so I'm using lamb. You might be surprised, but Japan has got tons of Indian curry restaurants, and they are customized to suit Japanese tastes. My family loves this one curry spot we used to go to all the time, and they had this amazing Saag Mutton curry. Today, I'm recreating that recipe for you. Alright, before we start anything else, let's get the rice going in the rice cooker. I'm going to add a little ghee and turmeric to make it extra fancy. So here, 2 cups of rice. I pre-washed the rice. Add 2.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I will put everything into the rice cooker and start it. It will cook while we are preparing the curry. Okay, let's make the curry sauce. Here are the ingredients. 1 pound of lamb, it means roughly 450 grams. And 200 grams of spinach. Frozen works fine. And some vegetables as flavor base. 1 small onion, carrot, celery sticks, 1 garlic clove, and some raisins for sweetness. Then spices, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, adjust based on spiciness, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And here, this is the most important for Japanese curry cubes. I use only half of it. And 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter or cooking oil. And some salt to taste. As an extra, I added pumpkin seeds for that creaminess. If you have other nuts like cashew nuts, that work great too. And later, while cooking, I added medium-sized tomato. It is not here though. And some water as needed. First, preparation time. Season the lamb with salt and a tablespoon of curry powder. Rub it in both sides, then set aside. Chop the onion, carrot, celery, garlic, and raisins into small pieces. Alright, let's cook. Heat tablespoon of ghee in a pan over medium heat. Once it's melted, toss in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and minced garlic. When the cumin starts popping and the aroma fills the air, add the onions, carrots, and celery. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Cover and steam fry on low heat for about 5 minutes. Now push the vegetables to the side and place the seasoned lamb pieces and sear both sides till golden. Also add the pumpkin seeds at this point and roast until golden too. Spray some cooking oil if necessary. And add the rest of the curry powder for the vegetables. Then add the raisins too. I had a feeling tomatoes would lift this curry, so I added some wedged tomatoes. And yes, it was a great call. They bring a blast of freshness and a deep umami that ties everything together. Did you know Tomatoes actually have multiple layers of umami. It's science. Then pour in water. I added 7 milliliters of water. But if you are adding more tomatoes, then adjust the amount of water. Right? And cover and simmer on medium heat for 20 minutes or until the lamb pieces are tender. Okay, let's see. Lamb pieces are tender, so it is time to add 200 grams of spinach. Cook for 5 minutes. Once the spinach has wilted and cooked through, blend the sauce smooth with a handy blender. Be sure to remove the lamb pieces first and set them aside. For safety, turn off the heat before blending. I will blend it until it's completely smooth. This step makes the curry really silky later. Here is the final stretch. Add just a few blocks of curry roux to the blended sauce and stir until it melts. That's the Japanese curry secret. Rich, velvety, and so easy. Melt the curry cubes completely, then return the lamb pieces. Simmer for 5 minutes to let everything come together. Finish with a teaspoon of garam masala for that warm, fragrant kick. Give it a gentle stir, and we are done. Now the rice is ready. Look at this beautiful golden color from the turmeric. Before plating, I like to gently mix it with the rice puddle like this, just to fluff it up and distribute the ghee and turmeric evenly. Okay, let's plate the rice first. I will make a nice bed of rice on the side of the plate, then spoon the lamb curry generously over the top. And don't forget to place the lamb pieces on top. And finally, if you want it even creamier and more luxurious, you can drizzle a little heavy cream like this. Just swirl it around for a pretty finish. Doesn't that look amazing? It's ready to eat. Okay, I set the table, so now let's taste it. いただきます。Wow, it's so good. The lamb is melt in your mouth tender, the spinach adds freshness, and the curry roux. It's giving Japanese restaurant vibes. I paired it with homemade lassi, made from fermented soy milk yogurt I cultured from scratch. Full video for this drink is coming soon. If you got lamb and spinach in your fridge, you have to try this curry. It's easy, satisfying, and totally delicious. Thank you for watching till the end. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. See you soon.